morning, guys. It's 5:30 in the morning. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be hunting in my back pond. I talked to our neighbor and got permission to go sit down on his end because last year I attempted to do this very same thing, and the ducks didn't really come on our end. They kind of just sat down there and fed the whole time. So I counted over 20 yesterday. There was a lot of mallards and some studwoodies. The mallards didn't seem to really have green on their heads yet. It's been too warm out, so that's a little disappointing, but it is what it is. We should get some to come back later in the year. Yeah, so I'm gonna head back there. I'm hoping for a single man limit today. That would be sweet. I'm hoping to get some nice colorful wood ducks. Maybe some mallards too. I'm not sure exactly what's all back there, but I'm kind of excited to go find out. So I'm gonna keep getting stuff ready, and I'm gonna take the kayak back out there, and I'm gonna hide in the cattails. So don't know how this will go, but I'm excited. We'll meet you guys out there. Guys, there's a duck right here. The green head. Alright guys, starting to throw some decoys out. I'm not planning on doing a ton. Just because I feel like they've already been sitting back here. I don't want to overwhelm them, so I'm just going to throw like half a dozen to a dozen. Just to let them know we're back here. Alright guys, just got myself up in the cattails. Some decoys right there. I'm probably just gonna poke my head out when it comes time and go from there. This is a nice setup we got. I just hope we don't get too wet in here. We're staying fairly dry on the bog, so we don't have to worry about sinking. Alright, well, let's look at the clock. 6:12. We have 40 minutes till shooting hours. At least one. I think they'll swing back around. That's a stud, Woody. Just so you guys know, I was trying to shoot them out of the air. They just came in so quick, and I couldn't get a good aim with these cattails before they even hit the water, especially that first one. He was just sitting there, and I was trying to shoot him. Alright guys, I got some type of diver out there, and I don't know what it is. There's 3 of them. There's one further out. What if that's a wood duck or a mallard? Nope. Dove. I really don't know what they are. I don't think I'm gonna shoot them. That's a mallard. Alright guys, he landed there and he didn't move. I thought he was gonna come swimming in. I just heard him, like I was watching those divers, and all of a sudden he landed. I was like, whoa, where'd he come from? You know, I was watching those divers for a while, watched him for a while. He looked like he was sleeping half the time. He didn't move. So I figured I'd take a whap at him, and because I was thinking he'd come in closer, but he never did. So figured I'd shoot before he thought about leaving. It's our early morning report / rundown. We got 2 wood ducks, I believe. One for sure. I think that other one's a wood duck. He's belly up. Can't tell. But Drake mallard. And then there's a bunch of divers out there. There might be a couple wood ducks. But I think I might go out and get these ducks. And then I know a wood duck landed behind me. Maybe go try spook them up. But I'm not 100% sure. But off to a good morning so far. Hopefully they keep dumping in. I'm kind of happy with the way they're coming in, a little more sporadic than coming in bunches, because then you'll spook them in bunches. So we're off to a good start that way. I'm happy. I think we got a good chance to get a couple more. No, the thing with these divers is I don't know what the heck they are. Ain't coots. I'm not sure, but they're stupid, that's for sure. But I think I'm gonna get these ducks maybe and go from there. Those divers. Hen mallard. There he is, guys. It's a stud. Stud mallard. Look at the color on him. Look at that. Freaking beautiful duck. That's a beaut. Oh my gosh. Did I actually miss all of those? Are you kidding me? How did I miss them? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna freak. That's so frustrating. It was the easiest shot I've had all day. No, no. Oh my gosh, guys, my face mask got stuck over my eyes. Oh my gosh, Norman. I'd have to give him one more good lick. That's my mistake, guys. I thought the rule was you were only allowed to have 2 of each mallards, but then I looked at the regulations on my phone and I was reading it while he was sitting here, and it said it's just 2 hens, so you can shoot as many mallards as you want. So that last mallard got real lucky because he was sitting out there nice and pretty just waiting, and he didn't get it though. He got away, so lucky him. Guys, I didn't think it'd make that much of a difference, but oh my gosh. So I got a modified choke in with like 2 3-shot, and I didn't think I needed improved cylinder. And I'm having more luck shooting these guys on my third shot when they're 40 yards out, 50 yards out, than when they're 10 yards, 20 yards from me. So I think next time I hunt this pond, I'm definitely going to throw my improved cylinder choke in, because this is ridiculous. It's kind of crazy. And I know, like, I'm not trying to make excuses. Ooh. Alright, like I said, guys, I got that modified choke in, and I think it's making a big difference, and not a good difference, because I'm struggling when they're up close. And I mean, you get a really tight spread with the modified, and it spreads out late, so I think that's got a little bit to do with why I'm sucking so much. But yeah, if it wasn't for that, I should easily have my limit right now. I'm one duck away. I got my limit of mallards, but I just need one more anything other than a mallard. I should have a wood duck limit, or not limit. I should have another wood duck right now, but just like I said earlier, sucked at shooting, so. But it's 10 o'clock right now, and I'm gonna wait it out until I get that last one. Don't care how long it takes, so. Might be here for a while, so. It don't matter for you guys though, because it'll just be the next clip. I'm the one that's wait here for a couple hours probably. I don't know. Alright, back to hunting. It's woodies. Oh, jeez. I only got one there. Limit. Let's go, guys. Another Jake wood duck. Alright, guys, there you go. That's the limit. It's almost 11 o'clock, if not 11 o'clock. And I'm tired, so I'm gonna get these couple decoys cleaned up and we're gonna get out of here. Go pick up that last mallard and call her a day. Whew, that was a fun first hunt on this pond. I'm really happy. It's my first limit I've ever got here. I've first time hunting here. Those divers are out there still. But we got our limit. It's a fun hunt. We got stuff to learn from, like put our improved cylinder choke in instead of our modified. And I'll definitely be hunting here again, so I'll give it a little break, let the ducks come back. But overall, it's a great hunt. Look forward to making a video for you guys, and stay tuned for that, or stay tuned for other videos on the channel, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.